Hello everyone, welcome to BananaCrystal platform. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an account on the platform, that is to sign up. You go to our webpage www.bananacrystal.com. You come to this user icon here, you click on sign up. It will take you to the sign up page where you fill out your accurate information. Get that sorted out. Always ensure that you have an active email, because that's where we are going to send you your confirmation mail. You accept the terms of service of BananaCrystal platform, then you do your reCAPTCHA. Then you sign up. When you click on sign up, an activation mail will be sent to you, and it looks like this. This is what your mail is going to look like, and you said please verify your account through this link below. You click on confirm my account. All right, so that's why I emphasize on having an active email address where this email will be sent to confirm your account. All right, when you click on this blue box, it's going to take you to the login page of BananaCrystal platform. You do your reCAPTCHA, then you log in, and that is it. We've successfully created an account on the platform. It's easy and anyone can sign up on this platform. So the next video is to show you how you can use the platform. That's by completing your KYC. You get verified on this platform and you start using the platform immediately. It is essential you do that. Without that, you cannot do anything on the platform. So see you on the next video on how to get verified on the platform. Bye.